Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Cash App to your US bank account step by step clearly. Open the Cash App on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Locate the $ icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it to access your balance. Select Cash Out on the next screen. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Choose Standard for a free transfer or Instant for a fee. If you select Standard, your funds will arrive in 1 to 3 business days. For Instant, the funds will be available immediately for a small fee. After selecting the transfer speed, tap Cash Out again. Choose your linked bank account if prompted. If you don't have a bank account linked, you will need to add one. To add a bank account, tap on Link Bank and follow the instructions. Once your bank account is selected, confirm the transaction. You will see a confirmation screen showing your withdrawal details. Wait for the transfer to complete. Check your bank account to ensure the funds have arrived. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.